After the multiple drone sightings in Jammu recently, the Indian Air Force has decided to purchase 10 Counter-Unmanned Aircraft Systems or CUASS or anti-drone systems specifically for Indian vendors. The IAF floated a request for information to invite bids last week on June 28th. The decision was prompted after a bid to attack the IAF base in Jammu by drones sent from across the international border. LET Hand is suspected behind the attack. The drones dropped IEDs, triggering 2 low-intensity blasts. There were no casualties, however, the IEDs exploded close to the station's helicopter hangar and left 2 IAF personnel injured. Reports say the procurement of CUASS has been in the process for several months. The RFI says the systems are intended to detect, track, identify, designate and neutralize hostile drones, and a laser-directed energy weapon, laser DEW, is essentially required as a kill option. Drones are often small, low-flying aircraft, which makes them very hard to pick up using radar. And unmanned aerial vehicle technology is constantly evolving, so the technology to eliminate threats posed by drones also are many. First step, of course, is detection, and there are multiple ways to do it depending on the location. Audio detection works in quiet surroundings. Drones emit a very specific sound. Devices exist that can listen for the very specific frequencies emitted by the whirring devices, and they work well up to a point. Drones operate using radio frequency to communicate with their operators. To keep the receiver and transmitter connected, they are paired together with specific RFID chips that keep other devices on the same frequency from overtaking the drone. Jammers can be used to disrupt this connection. Jammers work by blasting electromagnetic noise at the radio frequencies that drones use to operate and emit information. Geofencing is a technique by which a boundary is created using a combination of hardware and software to create a physical and invisible boundary surrounding an airspace. Thermal imaging can be a helpful tool for finding drone operators in a remote region. Neutralization is now the next step after detection, and it can be done using jammers or lasers. Lasers produce an extremely focused beam of light or laser beam. The laser defeats the drone by destroying the structure and/or the electronics completely.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.